Part 6 of Samvalang's regret arc. So after Samvalang and Gauthu said their byes at the restroom of the hospital, Samvalang would often call Hua Young in order to seek advice to win back his former subordinate. But Hua Young would just add oil to the fire by asking if Gauthu completely abandoned him. And if he did, then Samvalang screwed, for Gauthu is a stubborn and thoughtful person and he must have made his decision carefully, and how Samvalang should have just outright refused the moment Gauthu handed his resignation. But knowing Samvalang's pride and ego, he must have signed it at a lightning speed and even found an excuse to kick Gauthu out of the office just to avoid seeing him. And Hua Young's words actually hit the bull's mark because that had what had actually happened. So the reason why Sanwalang kicked Gauthu out of the presidential office was because he had heard Gauthu talk with his colleague one time at a restroom, and when the colleague asked Gauthu if he was really leaving and isn't it such a pity to leave the company for the benefits were great, and Somalang actually valued him. But hearing that, Gauthu said that it was not a pity and he had thought about it long ago, and he was very quick and firm with his answer. And hearing his answer, Somalang felt very angry because he thought that Gauthu should have been reluctant and been more hesitant to quit his job as the HS. And the colleague once again asked Gauthu if he would say if someone Lang actually begged him. And Gauthu was like that proud alpha begging him as if. And Gauthu joked with the colleague that he might consider staying if Samalang actually gave him 15% of the HS shares. And hearing that, Samalang felt even more angry and he was like, who would care about such a stupid, ugly beta? And if he wants to go to hell, then he can go to hell. If he wants to quit, then he can quit. So he ordered Gauthu to pack up immediately and leave the office. And he swore that he never wanted to see that infuriating beta again for the rest of his life. But boy, he would eat his words, so yeah. Hua Yang once again suggested Samalang that if he were him, he would call and confess to Gauthu before Gauthu actually blocked his number. But Samalang was like, me and confess to Gauthu? Yeah, are you crazy? So he just dismissed it. But Hua Yang said that if he kept being proud, then he might never get his wife back and be single for the rest of his life. With all the suggestions and him missing out very dearly, Samvalang finally built up the nerve and steeled himself to call Gauthu, only to find that his number was no longer in service. So he called many times, but it was the same. Gauthu's number had already been cancelled. Poor boy.